Hola amigos, welcome back to our language adventure. I'm Rob. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of Spanish, and more specifically, we're going to unravel the mystery behind saying red in this beautiful language. So buckle up and let's get started. Now, when it comes to expressing the fiery, passionate hue of red in Spanish, it's quite simple. The magic word is rojo, pronounced rojo. That's right, rojo is the key. Repeat after me, rojo. Fantastic. But hold on, we don't just want to say it, we want to say it right. It's not rojo, it's rojo. Notice that soft R sound at the beginning? Perfecto. Give it a try. Rojo. Excelente. Now let's put rojo into action. Imagine you're marveling at a breathtaking sunset. Qué hermoso atardecer rojo. Or if you're a fashion enthusiast like me, you might say, Me encanta la ropa roja. I love red clothes. See how easy that was? You're on your way to becoming a Spanish color maestro. But wait, there's more to it than just words. Rojo color carries cultural significance in the Spanish-speaking world. It's not just a color, it's a symbol of passion, energy, and warmth. From vibrant festivals to symbolic representations in art and folklore, red is deeply woven into the fabric of Hispanic traditions. Now, for all you language learners out there, here are some tips to enhance your Spanish journey. Immerse yourself in the language, practice regularly, and don't forget to leverage language learning apps for that extra boost. Consistency is key, and before you know it, you'll be effortlessly rolling those R's and speaking with the fluency of a native speaker. Well, amigos, that wraps up our adventure into the world of Rojo. I hope you enjoyed our colorful exploration today. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more language insights, and leave a comment below with your favorite Spanish word or phrase. Hasta luego. See you later.